Hello everybody. Tonight we have here a Turkish shotgun. Empty. Turkish shotgun camo 24-inch Winchester SXP. Really nice. I will make a video. I will do a review on this one, and then also I will shoot it for you guys. Thank you for watching.